fat?
I prefer marrying someone that snores.
Why?
Because you can cope with the noise, but the odor and the smell. You're able to cope with that. So I prefer marrying that snores. Someone that snores. I can actually stop it, so I can stop the snoring. But someone that's normally fat naturally,
Yeah.
it will be very difficult to stop that person.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not just normal fat, but the kind that.
That
Have you heard of a secretary fat? He goes,
doesn't sound
but it's very gently. Oh my god, it was nice having you.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
Somebody that's fat but doesn't snore.
Why?
Fat comes occasionally. Why snoring is day-to-day.
It's consistent.
Yeah.
Now,
So I wouldn't want somebody that every night I'll be hearing
what
snore.
if the person has to fart like every single day, and it's not just a regular fart, it's the kind that is embarrassing.
Okay. Well, from my knowledge of body systems, I know that farting is not a recurrent occasion.
Yes.
It happens once in a while
Yes.
due to some actions in the body.
Yes.
And that's why I say that I know that snoring is almost every night when you sleep, but farting is occasional. On the best of my knowledge about human body and about metabolisms that happen in the body is occasional. So I would rather prefer someone that farts to someone that
snores.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, I think a man who farts but doesn't snore
It's better.
is better.
Why?
Because you cannot cheat nature. Farting is like something that is natural, but snoring I think is an habit. You can exhibit it or you can just stop it.
Okay. So, what if those farts that happen, say, they are daily, just as consistent as snoring, yeah? And I'm talking about not the gentle kind of farts. I'm talking about the embarrassing farts. The very embarrassing ones.
You know, you only snore when you sleep, and you only sleep when you're somewhere that is convenient. So if you should fart when somebody somewhere is convenient, obviously farting does not have a toilet. So I believe every human being farts.
Yes.
Small or
About
big.
300 and something times a day.
Okay, so but not everybody
No, but I'm
snores.
talking about those ones that when you do it.
It doesn't mean now it's nature.
Okay. So you
can't give me someone that doesn't do anything.
okay. Right now, you have to choose one of the two.
Okay. I think I kind of I want to take someone that snores.
Why?
Because I don't want to someone that fast, seriously.
You can't make up your mind right now. Make up your mind.
Very hard. I think I need the perfect lead that now. I know someone that is snoring.
Well, you can try to perfect. If you had the choice, God was giving you the choice to decide one, and you can choose just one. Which would you decide?
If I was inside out, and I'm just someone that snores.
Okay. You?
Yeah, someone that snores. Fast.
Why?
Because it's like the fasting looks like it's going to be constant.
You see fat or fat now?
Is she fat or fat?
It's going to be constant.
Hey, she snores.
No, wait, I'm not talking about silent fats now. I'm talking about
like loud fats.
Fats are like
Loud
earthquakes. She goes this.
No,
she
see,
jumps.
I don't want to be repairing beds every time or changing mattress, please. So I think I prefer someone that snores. Yes. Or manager.
Okay, you can live with that.
She's loud as that. Yeah. After I listen to songs.
Jesus. And you know it's for life. It's for life. So you have to decide.
I must confess the two.
No, you can only pick one. You can only pick one out of the two. Either someone who farts but doesn't snore, or someone who snores but doesn't fart.
I prefer someone who snores.
Why?
Because someone, a woman that snores, she'll be so she's an embarrassment. Yes. Imagine like when you're in the meeting, and she's just like, oh Jesus! And it will be so annoying.
Really? I'm very, very embarrassing.
Very much.
Very, very embarrassing. So that's your choice?
Yeah.
Really? Honestly.
However, I don't want it to.
God, don't give me that.